Hello beautiful people. Today I want to show you this amazing design. If you're interested, then keep on watching. To save some time, I'm starting with my nails already prepared for gel polish application. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is apply a full coat of gel polish on a pinky, a middle finger and a thumb. Now I'm taking a liner brush and the same color to carefully paint lines on my ring fingernail. Now I'm taking my favorite round brush to easily and quickly fill the empty area. With my short liner brush, I fix and even out the color. Then you will want to repeat the same process on the nail's free edge. Now I'm taking my long liner brush to paint lines on my index finger. It's okay if your lines are not straight. You can fix it later with second coat. Well, it seems that I messed up here, but it's okay. Don't be afraid to mess up. Everything is fixable. After curing the first layer, it's time for second coat. With second coat, you can fix all these small mistakes. With second layer, it's perfect opportunity to even out these lines. I'm gonna take extreme white gel paint and draw a straight line in the center. Now you want to be really careful here. Just take your time and perfect those lines. Now for this part, I use clear gel and spread it out on red color. Now I will be using a similar glitter color to my gel polish. Just sprinkle it all over the nails as much as you want. After applying glitter, you want to use a top coat on all of your nails for a few reasons. To secure glitter and even out nails after glitter application, and then you want to be able to file all the bumps caused by glitter without completely wiping them out. To even everything out even more, just flip your hand for half a minute and let top coat to do its job. Now I can see that there are some bigger and smaller glitter bumps. Let's file a bit until those bumps are gone. While filing, you don't want to put a lot of pressure. Light pressure will be just enough. Now I will buff a nail just a little bit, just to smooth the surface of the nails. Apply shiny top coat on a middle finger and a thumb. Apply matte top coat on a pinky, ring finger and index finger. With a short liner brush and extreme white gel paint, I'm painting a heart. Now you can take a long liner brush to perfect those lines of the heart. Now you want to apply clear gel or top coat on white parts so that we could decorate it with glitter. With white glitter powder and shiny top coat gel mixture, you can create opal effect on white parts of the design. Add powder little by little. You don't want to add too much. The mixture should be see-through. Then build up gel and powder mixture on a painted heart and white line. With thick, transparent gel, draw a line around the heart. We will decorate it with tiny caviar beads. Now patiently move around the beads until they are in a perfect shape and position. With the same gel, draw a chain-like lines that will be attached to the heart and decorate it with beads and rhinestones. with gel top coat to secure our created design. With long liner brush and thick gel, I am securing rhinestones and beads so that it wouldn't fall off. Clean gel excess with dot tool or a brush. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later next time. Bye!